Why does your scanner show the P052E engine code? And what does it mean? The P052E engine error code stands for the positive crankcase ventilation, PCV, regulator valve performance. A P052E engine error code indicates a problem with the positive crankcase ventilation, PCV, regulator valve, meaning the engine control module has detected an issue with the pressure within the engine crankcase, usually due to a faulty crankcase pressure sensor or a malfunctioning PCV valve itself. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty PCV valve. PCV hose leaks blockages. Excessive engine blow. Oil separator malfunction. Sludge buildup. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. The P052E engine code is commonly found in turbocharged and direct injection engines, especially in General Motors, Ford, BMW, Dodge, and Jeep vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.